Hi everyone, I just wanted to send a quick video to introduce myself in case you weren't able to come to open house. My name is Lori Best and I teach 7th grade computer science here at Hastings Middle School. And so I just wanted to share a little bit to let you know I've been here about 20 some years teaching here, primarily math, but now I'm teaching computer science and it's a lot of fun for students and I enjoy it. The main curriculum or resource that we use is through code.org and a course called Computer Science Discoveries. In there, students will get to explore apps, create a website, do some animation, and hopefully get into gaming. I also supplement our curriculum with some robots that I have. These are called Spheros, and some of your students may or may not have had some experience with those. If they were here last year and had their tech class, they also had a little exposure to some robotics as well. And as Code.org adds more and more phases to their curriculum, I'm hoping to add a little bit about artificial intelligence we can learn together, and maybe even some augmented reality. So, the reason I wanted to send this out today, however, is to let you know that we have our first project that is due, and we will be kind of talking through them, introducing ourselves to each other this way by showing our virtual locker. So as you see here, on this screen in particular, I've got a sample one. So basically it's a sample locker, and students have a little whiteboard where they should have their name, say a little bit about themselves, and then include either a picture or an avatar. I've kind of included a little of everything there, and just some pictures or things that tell us a little bit about them. This allows us to kind of make connections with each other and say, oh my gosh, I didn't know that person played guitar or something like that. So in Schoology, if you are able to check your students' accounts or have them show you, you can kind of see a checklist of what they should have in there. I've got some possible avatar sites that they could create one if they don't want to use a picture themselves, and I look forward to seeing all their projects. So welcome to 7th grade computer science, and I'm excited to see their first creations on this virtual locker project.